Okay, so you need to cut your hedge, and you may have noticed that there are two different styles of hedge trimmer available, from what we might consider the more conventional style in a battery version, nice and light, and then there is longer reach versions. In cases like this we have telescopic versions of them, and you can even change position of the head in them. So which one do you need? We've got an example of a typical sort of hedge behind me here. You can see it's around my head height or just a little higher. And you can see that it does pose some challenges for a machine like this. Perfect for that side, that's decent. If the hedge was sort of below breast height, you know, that would be probably more than sufficient. But when you start to get to that taller stuff, gets very awkward to be trying to get up there and do the tops. So that's when a machine like this one here becomes perfect, because you can still do that conventional sort of side of the hedge as well, but with the bit of the tip and not being the superst or really tall hedge, I can still now get up there and get the tops done. So food for thought, if you're thinking about your hedge at home and you're wanting to know what style to go for, it really just comes down to the height of the hedge, and keep in mind how tall you might want that hedge to grow over time. Even if it's a bit shorter now, maybe in the future you want it to be a bit taller. So I think you'll find that this style is actually becoming increasingly more popular and a bit more versatile.